Welcome to our English space. Let's get started.
Wind waves.
Wind waves.
Wind waves.
Swells.
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 Breakers.
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 Tsunami.
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 Cross waves.
Cross waves. Cross waves.
Spilling waves.
Spilling waves.
Spilling waves.
Plunging waves.
Plunging waves.
Plunging waves. Reflected waves.
Reflected waves.
Reflected waves. Rip current.
Rip current.
Rip current. Virple.
Virple.
Virple. Eddy. Eddy current.
Eddy. Eddy current.
Eddy. Eddy current.
That's impressive. You completed the step without any problems. Don't stop now. Keep going here.